Ooh, fancy machines. Alright, I got this 2013 Chrysler Town Country van. I'm working on the AC system, and while I'm here I figure I'll show you where the service ports are. And they're a little bit hidden, so if you don't know where they're at, you might have a little difficulty finding them. But as you can see where my hoses are going, they'll lead us right to them. So right here I'm connected to the high side service port. So you can see where it is, and it's covered with the airbox. Chrysler thought it would be awesome to put it underneath the airbox, so you got to pull it out. Or at least you have to lift it up, but I pulled it all the way out so we could see it. And then your low side is back there, right against the firewall. You can see where my hose is connected there. And you should be able to see the caps on both of them if you look closely. Now there's an engine cover right here that if you just pop it up off its grommets, it's easier to get to. But those are the locations. And there's the engine cover, and then there's the air box, all three pieces. Well, that's the air filter and then the air box. And that's what I pulled out just to get everything out of the way and make it easy. They're not very difficult to remove. And as a little bonus tip, there's a bolt that holds this power steering in place on the air box. You just pop that bolt out, and if you notice, you can just hang it right here out of the way while you're working. So just a little bonus tip for you. And that's what she looks like all put back together. This little piece, if you want to take it off, just pops up off grommets. The air box, if you need to take it off, just disconnect this hose, loosen this clamp and pull this back. You got to take this fastener off, and like I showed you, just put it over on this grommet right here once you get the box off. And then you can take the three clips off, take the top off, and then you can remove the air filter if you want, and then the bottom just lifts up off grommets. So pretty easy to take apart. And now you know where the service ports are for the AC system on these Town & Country vans. And as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.